Hi everyone, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I am super duper excited to be hosting this giveaway in collaboration with my friends at Sinbono. I am not paid to review this bag. Everything that I'm going to say is my true opinion. I was simply gifted the bags so I can host this giveaway. So for this giveaway, I will be giving away 2 bags. This is the first in the color black. It is the Evelyn shoulder bag, and I have not opened it like I said before. It does come in a very sturdy box. It was wrapped in a bag, and the corners are a little pushed in, but the bag itself is still structured. It is solid, and it does protect the bag inside. Now, these bags are highly coveted due to their cruelty-free and eco-friendly philosophy, which I think is really cool. And this is the bag. It actually looks luxurious, and I love how it's kind of a dumpling style bag. You can see how gorgeous it is. I love all the ruching here. It is malleable like leather. It looks like leather, but it's incredible to me that it isn't. So let me tell you a little bit about this brand. Recently featured in British Vogue, where they were highlighted for the company's use of recycled plastics and reclaimed fruit leather. And that is how they create their bags. Let me reiterate that. Recycled plastic bottles and reclaimed fruit leathers is used to create this handbag. And I mean, what can you say? I'm kind of speechless. Now, I didn't want to keep them for myself. I want you guys to benefit from these giveaways, and I just want to pass on the savings and the gifts to all of you. The hardware is sturdy. You know that I like me some hardware, and this is beautiful. It does have the Sinbono name here, and the bag itself, again, is vegan leather. It is a faux suede lining inside. It has their tag. It is a little over 10.5 inches in width. It is 2.75 inches in depth here. And then in height, it is 5.5 inches. So it is a substantial size bag. It'll fit any phone and your essentials. I don't see any seams that are not stitched properly. It looks very professionally made. It is a beautiful bag. These jump rings on the side where you hook your purse strap are sturdy, and they're substantial, and they're a perfect gold color. This bag is super cute, and it's on trend with what's going on in fashion now. And if you like sustainability and you like vegan leather, this is a company you're going to want to look out for. Sinbono was super kind enough to agree to give my subscribers 25% off their entire website. So I'll post all the links down below to the bags I'll be giving away and their website. So here is the second bag. So here is the second giveaway bag, and it is the same style as the black one, except this one is a navy blue. It is a grayish blue, so it does have a grayish undertone. It is, again, gorgeous. It is, again, with the oversized zipper. It has the piping inside as well. You can see there, it's stitched perfectly. This piping, the side pocket piping. It is stitched with a Sinbono tag in there. The zipper glides like butter. There is no obstruction there. It has the side jump rings for your purse handle. And it is just, it's a beautiful bag. I mean, this is an evening bag that you can wear with jeans, or you can go out in a dress at night, dress it up or dress it down. So the first requirement to enter is you must be a resident of the US. You must be a subscriber, thumbs up the video, and I want to know something about you. Every giveaway, I make it an opportunity to get to know you in the comments section. So what I want you to do is share something that you find gross or odd that other people think you're ridiculous for. I'll go first. One of my pet peeves is the milk and the spoon in a cereal bowl. So you're scooping your cereal, putting it in your mouth, and then at the end, you keep depositing your spoon in the cereal and in the milk, and at the end, you take the bowl and you drink the milk. That grosses me out. I can't do it. It grosses me out. Most people think that I'm crazy for it because it's your own spit, it's your own mouth, it's your own bowl of cereal. but I just can't bring myself to do it. And when I see other people do it, I can hurl, like no lie. So I know that's a weird thing. Let's get weird together. Let me know in the comments what your pet peeve is. And if you like videos like this, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up or comment below. And if you're not yet subscribed, I invite you to do so down below. I thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to pick out the winners, and I will see you next time.